I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying margins and product type. Make sure you choose NRML, MIS, or BO/CO depending on your trade horizon. Next, pick the exact derivative contract and the correct lot size, then enter buy or sell quantity. Once done, glance at market depth and the last traded price to estimate slippage. Place your initial order at the intended price so Zerodha registers the position. This ensures you can immediately add a stop loss or bracket order without losing priority. Once your position is live, select the stop loss method. Use bracket order BO or cover order CO for integrated stop and target fields. If on NRML or MIS, place a stop loss market, SLM, or use GTT for conditional exits. Enter both trigger price and the actual stop loss price and define a clear SL distance in rupees or percent so the system triggers logically. Remember why. Automated stops reduce emotional exits and ensure consistent risk per trade. You finish by confirming the stop loss appears under orders and positions. Make sure trigger and executed prices match your intent. Monitor the trade actively and modify the stop only with a disciplined rule, trail or tighten when profit justifies it. If the stop fails to execute, first check for margin shortfall, exchange halt, or connectivity issues, then act manually if necessary. Finally, document the reason for any manual intervention so your next trade can avoid the same problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.